Okay, so welcome back. So now let's look at this one here. So again, I'm going to rewrite this so we can see easily what the b term is. So basically, the b is everything except the negative 1 to the power, right? So this is going to be our b sub n. Okay? Now, here, if we look at the sequence of terms of b sub n, we get n plus 1 over n plus 2, right? And we get n over n plus 1. So now, in this case here, it's not obvious that this is decreasing. In fact, it's not decreasing, right? This is you should remember this one from before, right? So what does this thing do? It starts at a half, right? Because at n equals 1, this is a half. And then it goes to what? 2/3, and then 3/4, and so on. So this thing is not decreasing. Furthermore, if we take the limit as n approaches infinity of b sub n, that thing's heading towards 1, as we discussed in earlier videos. So it's not heading towards 0, right? So this does not head towards 0. So in this case, we cannot apply the alternating series test. Okay? But we can apply the nth term test for divergence. Okay, so if we look at the nth term, what do we see? Well, if we take the limit as n approaches infinity of negative 1 to the n plus 1 over n plus 1, what's happening in this thing? Well, in this case here, the nth term, remember what the test for divergence says, right? It says that if the nth term does not go to 0, then the series diverges. Well, where's this thing going? Well, we know that this piece here is going to 1, right? And all this is doing is alternating between positive and negative. So we know that this thing is not heading towards 0. Okay? So this is not heading towards 0. And since it's not heading towards 0, the series diverges by the, what we call, now we haven't called it this, but it's called the nth term test for divergence, or divergence test. Okay, that's it. Have a great day.